Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the 2-pack of Sansi UV LED black light bulbs. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. If the name Sansi rings a bell, that's because they've been on my channel for around 2 years, and I've really enjoyed reviewing their products. They make high quality LED products. So I'm excited to try out their UV LED black light bulbs today. Here's how the 2-pack comes packaged to you, just shrink wrapped together with their branding and some information on the side. In case you're wondering, these are non-dimmable and 5-watt LEDs, roughly a 40-watt or so incandescent equivalent, and the base is an E26, not to be used with closed luminaries. Now, let's open them up. Here's all the package contents. First up, we have this cute little light bulb card. It has their social media handles and their email address on it if you have any questions. Then we have both of the bulbs right here. They're a great size. They look really cool. Love all the different vents we see on the backs of these bulbs to really help with that heat dissipation and to allow proper airflow. So this is really nice, guys. It's got a good weight to it. Love the top as well. So it's got 180 degree or so light field, and it casts a 325 to 400 nanometer wavelength of light. So that's going to be good for plant growing, awesome UV black light parties. They even say stuff like insect control, possibly even helping sterilize as well, but you're going to want to confirm that on the Amazon listing. Or if you have any specific needs, wants, or desires for these bulbs, feel free to reach out to them with that customer support email address that they provide, or find them on social media. Now, let's go ahead, let's try them out. So we're back here with all the studio lights turned off and both black lights plugged in and powered on. You can see the one right here kind of reflecting some off the table for the nice blue glow. They're definitely responding to my shirt. So when I bring it close, all the white stripes want to glow, which is really neat. Brought this aloe vera plant down in the studio just to give you a nice mental picture to remember that these are advertised to work with plants as well. So depending on which type of plant you have and the wavelengths it responds to, you may be able to even use this light, and rig it in a way that you can shine it on your plants indoor. I have reviewed some other great Sansi LED grow lights on my channel as well, so be sure to check out those videos depending on your needs and your plant's needs. So now that the lights have been on for about 5 or so minutes, I started to touch them. They feel a little warm, so the top is not that warm, but if I touch certain parts of the sides, it is very warm to the touch. Got my temperature gun out. They're roughly 120 degrees right here at the seam. It's about 100 to 110 at the top. And then any of this white ventilation plastic on the back of the light bulb, that's anywhere about 80 degrees or so. So you can't even tell, that's just the room temperature, basically, just like the lamp stand. But then right at the seams, guys, right there, especially where my thumb is, it's pretty toasty and about 120 some degrees. Same for this one as well. So just want to give you those quick temperature readings. I'm definitely impressed overall with these bulbs. They're not compatible with dimmers. I wanted to point that out again in case you did not hear that the first time. But if you're interested in this product, the link to it is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, do your shopping from there. Feel free to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns. I'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Don't forget, new content coming out daily, so we can't wait to see you in our next video.